Psalm 23, 3 He restores my soul. Father, in the name of the Lord, I come seeking restoration. Your word says in Psalm 23, 3 that you restore my soul, and today I ask for a deep, complete renewal of my inner being. Every place where I feel weary, broken, discouraged, or drained. Lord, breathe your life into me again. Heal the wounds that no one sees. Mend the parts of my heart that have been burdened, and lift every weight that has been pressing on my spirit. Restore my joy, restore my peace, and restore my passion for you. Lead me, O Lord, in paths of righteousness for your name's sake. According to Psalm 51:10, create in me a clean heart, and renew a right spirit within me. Let my thoughts align with your truth, and my desires reflect your will. Remove every distraction that pulls me away from you and establish me firmly in your purpose. May my life not only be restored, but also redirected toward righteousness, so that everything I do brings glory to your holy name.